Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today, the 16th of January. So I just want to start off on the monthly here, and if you have a look at price action here on the monthly, we are in an uptrend. It has been an uptrend pretty much since 2008. We've been moving to the upside. You can see we had a collaboration here of the moving averages, and then ever since then we've been moving up, respecting the 155. Now, we had two solid years here, 2020 and 2021. This is a COVID meltdown, and then up, and then we've pulled back. So this, for all intents purposes, is a flag break that's happened. There's your flag, and that was pretty much sort of the whole of last year, and we've got a break late into the year, and we are now onwards and upwards. Now you can see on the monthly there is the level of resistance. That's the all-time high area up there. Look at the crossover here of the moving averages. You look at this on any other lower time frame, you would be looking to buy, and we are sort of starting to clear this area of what was resistance at the moment. So sitting at 15,191 at the moment, that is where we are on the lower time frames, but this pullback as well is a 50% pullback. So looking at it at the monthly, that was my original move up. That's the deep pullback, which is what you want to see. That is our monthly target over the coming, I wouldn't say months. Could get there this year, very possible, but I think probably more likely over 2 years or 3 years. We're looking at 19,416, and since 19,416 is so close to the round number of 20,000, that is ultimately where we are heading. So from a long-term portfolio perspective, this is the one market that I would be looking at right now. Let's just get down to our intraday time frames, and looking at the 8-hour, really one-way traffic. Nothing really else to say. We are overextended, so obviously I would prefer a pullback at the moment, and obviously 15,022 or 1500 is definitely an area that I would expect us to find some support in, but we've been doing this now for 2 weeks, so what's one more week? We can see there's the next level. Basically, this is the level of support on the weekly that we have closed above, and we've got that weekly close above 1500, so that is something you really do need to keep in the back of your head. So we flirted with it for quite some time, sort of late last week, before eventually just moving to the upside. So oscillators are extremely oversold on the 3-hour as well, so you need to be you need to have your wits about you. You're looking to trade to the upside, but obviously this is telling you that there is potentially merit for a deeper pullback sometime, but I wouldn't take this on its own. You can see we've grouped on the hour as well. So where is the most logical area for buying opportunity? And that's going to be at 15,139, and I'd also even go as low as 1500 or 15,022. So even though it does drop below the low of Friday, the reality is, look at the strong uptrend. You only want to be buying at this. So for me today, this is the first area to buy at 15,139, and then if you drop down to the 15-minute, you will see there's one other level that you can also pay attention to, which is this one, which is 15,166. Look what's happened at the moment. Nice move up, bit of a flag break, that we're looking for a move to the upside. So targets the upside, what you're going to be doing is every sort of structure break, you're going to be looking for your targets on that. So this is the structure break here, there, cup and handle, inverse head and shoulders, whichever way you want to look at it. That's the first target area over there, and then you have a mini one here. That's after hours work though, so I'd be a bit cautious about this one. Pretty much target just a bit higher up there, and you'll probably find, we can have a look at it now, if I go to something like the 3-hour and have a look at those levels, I'm going to have to go back quite far. But if you'll probably find some form of structure. Let's just try the 8 hour, otherwise we're going to be scrolling forever. There we go. There's quite a bit of structure here where we are. We know that. But those two levels, there's one more there, right up there. So that would be an initial target area. Let's just get back to the hour. So 15269 looks to be what we are aiming for. So I'm looking for 15228, 15242, and then 15269. That's what I am looking for at the moment. We're looking to buy, and we are looking to buy off structure, and this is the closest bit of structure we've got is 15166, but I would prefer this area down here at 15139. And if you just have a look at what happens every morning at the open, where is the DAX? Every morning at the open we sort of drift down, then we buy, and then the US session we have a bit of chaos. US is on holiday today, so I don't think we're going to have that chaos. So it's going to be a fairly decent trading day as far as I'm concerned on the DAX. Wait for the open, you should get an opportunity to get in. Should have a fairly decent area for a stop. At the moment that stop is right here, so it's like a 20-point stop loss for 41 points and then 75-point gain. But yeah, that's what I've got on for today. Looking for the pullback, looking to buy, and we're looking to target those three areas to the upside. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.